Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be baking this delicious Victoria sponge cake. So here I have 200 grams of soft butter and I'm adding to that 200 grams of caster sugar. And we're just going to beat that together until light and fluffy. Next we're going to add 4 large eggs, one at a time. And beat them in really well before adding the next egg. And now a generous amount of vanilla extract, about a teaspoonful. In a bowl I'm going to sift 250 grams of self-raising flour. Added to that 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a pinch of salt. Take time to give that a really good mix. We don't want clumps of baking powder and salt. Once that's done, add in stages your dried ingredients to the batter. Now that we've given that a good mix, we're going to divide our mixture into 2 well-greased baking tins. You could divide the mixture equally by weighing it or just eyeballing it like I did, but try and get it as equal as possible. Bake them in a preheated oven of 180 Celsius for 35 minutes. In a mixing bowl, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of icing sugar and 2 milliliters of double cream. And now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and giving it all a good whisk. Our 2 sponges are completely cold now, so I'm just stirring together 5 tablespoons of strawberry jam just to loosen it up so I can spread it evenly on our sponge cake. That's done, so now we're going to start putting our whipped cream on top of the jam. And of course you can use less cream or more cream, it's entirely up to you, but this is enough for me. I'm just going to place now the other sponge on top and dust with icing sugar. So there it is, our delicious Victoria sponge cake. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.